everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's make it beautiful. So today I'm gonna show you how I created this reading corner. So आज की वीडियो में आप देखेंगे कि आप कैसे अपने रीडिंग कॉर्नर को मोर इंटरेस्टिंग बना सकते हैं with adding little DIYs. So you just watch the video and create your reading corner. Till then, I'll enjoy my book and some wine. Cheers. So we are going to start it with painting these blocks. But if you don't have blocks, then don't worry. You can use mini canvases as well. And it is not necessary that you have to go for the squares and rectangles. You can play or mix match different shapes as well. In this video, I'm going to use these blocks, which are the waste cutout pieces of plywood. At first, I'll draw some pattern with a pencil, and you can use another tools as well like scale, compass or any circular thing. And you can go for the heavy design as well as light. It depends on your choice only. I'll go for the abstract art. You can directly paint it, but to avoid any mistakes, I prefer to draw it with the pencil first, then paint it. So all the blocks are ready with the basic design. Now it's time to paint them. I'm showing you the closer look as well so that you can take some references from this. I'll start painting it from the border, and for all the borders I'll choose different colors. You can go for the same color as well, and you can keep it raw if you are using wooden blocks, but if you are using mini canvases, then I would prefer to paint them. I'm painting these blocks with the fabric acrylic color, and if you are using the same, I would suggest don't mix water for the best result. So my colorful borders are ready. We are ready for the fun part. Now we are going to fill the color inside our design. And to fill our design, I'm gonna pick random colors. I'm just going to paint one block with you to show you how to paint it. So this is the final look of the blocks as you can see, and if you want then you can add border lines as well to give it more depth. But I like them this way only, so I'm not gonna add any outline to them. Let's move to the next step, and in this step we are going to paint the wall. If you like the existing color of your wall, then you can skip this step, but I would like to add one more coat of the white color. To save your floor from the paint, throw some newspapers. After the white paint is done, I'm going to add L shape with dark grey color to highlight my blocks. So I'm going to make L shape without any measurements, just within rough ideas. So to make L shape in a proper way, we are going to use masking tape. So right now my wall is looking like this. Now it's time to display our mini art, and for the display I'm going to use two-side tape. And if you want then you can fix them with the nails as well. Before the final fix, just mark the area where you want to place them. I'm doing it just by taking the centers of the L shape. Now I'm going to hang this light which is made by me, and I'll show you the making of this light with another 2 lights in the next video. So stay tuned with me for the next video as well. And if you don't want to add hanging light in your reading corner, then you can add floor lamp as well or table lamp as well. So as you can see that the designing part is done over here. Now we are going to style this space. Never forget to add a rug for the warmth. Style your side table with some planters, pens and books that you are reading currently, and always keep a space for a cup of coffee, tea or wine, whatever you like to have while reading. So this is the final look of my reading corner. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay connected for more amazing videos. Time to take a leave. See you in next video. Don't forget to share your pictures of reading corner with me. You can tag me on Instagram as well, and I'll put it in the description box. And in case of any doubt or suggestions, you can always tell me through comments or DM me on my Instagram. So in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to make these DIY lamps.